Let's join Excel to production tables. I'm going to open up my Snowflake tree. There is my database and schema and my tables. I'm going to right click and say Super Join Builder on the addresses table. What's it joined to? I hit the Add Join button and it shows me the tables. I'm going to select 3 of them. All I have to do is pick the columns I want on the report. SQL will be built automatically for me. But now, after I get done with that, I'm going to add an Excel spreadsheet. So I go and hit Import Excel in the Super Join Builder, and it will say, okay. We're going to change the hub to my PC, which means it's going to bring back all the tables to my PC and join them there using my CPU. I pick the Excel worksheet that I want, click and say okay. And now it says, hey, how's this join? And I go provider code and provider no. And now I say finish. The table is in the Super Join Builder. The Excel spreadsheet is in the Super Join Builder. I pick the columns I want added here. And now the SQL is ready to run. And I am joining 3 Snowflake tables with an Excel spreadsheet. And there's my answer set. It's that easy.